Hey guys, it's Vignesh from CodeAndroid. In this video, we'll see few Android Studio settings which helps us to improve our productivity. When we want to debug any Android app, then we use logcat option. Here we have package mine as default filter. This will be helpful for Android project, but for Flutter projects it's not useful. I'll be using some prefix while debugging, so I want to customize this default filter with my custom filter. For debug print statement, I use this symbol as prefix, so my custom filter looks like this. To update default filter, go to settings, tools, logcat. Here we need to update our custom filter. Let's save the settings. Now I'm closing the logcat and opening the new one. You can see the filter got updated. Next setting is auto reformat. Whenever we do any code change, we need to format the code. For example, we can write the app bar like this. Like this, each and every developer will follow their own formatting. Instead, we can format the code automatically using Android Studio. To do that, go to Settings, Tools, Action on Save. Here, enable reformat code and optimize imports. Let's save the settings. Now, whenever we save the file, the code will get formatted. This optimize import option will remove unused imports. For example, if I remove the log statement, developer import becomes unused. Now, when I save the file, the import is getting removed automatically. While developing, mostly I use real device. To view that screen on Android Studio, we need to go to Settings, Tools, Device Mirroring. We have to enable this feature, but to view the screen, we need to go to View, Tool window, Running Devices. You can see we are able to see our real device in Android Studio. This is not suitable for me because when I open debug window or any other window, the mirrored screen is becoming smaller. To avoid this, I use a program called Screen Copy. To run that, I need to open a new terminal and run scrcpy. You can see I am getting a new window. Now I can keep this and Android Studio side by side. Instead of opening a new terminal every time, we can create an external tool. To do that, go to Settings, Tools, External Tools. Here, create a new tool. I am giving the name as scrcpy. To find the location of the program, we need to execute where is scrcpy. Let's copy the path and give it under program. I use this external tool for running build runners as well. When we do that, we need to give the Flutter path as program and working directory as project file directory, so that the Flutter command will be executed inside our project. I use this scrcpy tool regularly, so instead of executing this via search everywhere, I will create a keyboard shortcut for this. Go to key map and select your tool. To assign a new shortcut, right click on the tool and select add keyboard shortcut. Let's use Ctrl+Shift+S. Click on OK. To see my device screen, I can hit Ctrl+Shift+S. You can see I got my screen mirrored. Whenever we open any Flutter project, we see folders like .idea, .dartool, etc. We won't edit these files. To hide these from project tree, go to Settings, Editor, File Type. Here, go to Ignore Files and Folder tab. Here, you can add the exact folder which you want to hide, for example .idea, but I want to hide all the files, so I'm giving .star. You can see when I apply the changes, all the files starting with got hidden. Final and most important settings which is present under Appearance and Behavior, New UI. Enable this new UI and restart your Android Studio. This is the first settings which I change on any system because I'm not able to access many of the tools due to the height restriction. When we restart our Android Studio, all these tools will become icons. If you are not finding any tool, you can click on this more option and access the tool. These are the few settings which helps us to improve our productivity. If I missed any settings, please let me know in the comment section so that everyone will get to know about that. In next video, we'll see some of the important plugins. That's all for this video guys. If you find this useful, please give a like and comment the settings which you like the most. Hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.